Hello everyone. So our today's topic is discuss both the views. So we all know in writing task 2 we have 5 type of topics: advantage, disadvantage, problem and solution, opinion question, discussion question and double question. So today we will going to focus on discuss both the views and give your opinion. So whenever you get the question, there will be two statements given. The first statement will be in the favor and the other statement will be against. For example, nowadays ebooks are very common. Some people say that it is a good enhancement of technology, while others say that there are repercussions of this. So some people are in favor and some people are against. So we have to give the positive points of both. Do not give that if people says that ebooks are good, we only have to give the reason of this, the good reason, and the people who are against, we have to give the bad reason. No. You have to give the opinion. For example, if I feel that this is a good way, ebooks are actually enhancing the technology, so I can give that yes, in my opinion, ebooks helps to save the money. However, there are some we will get some problem on our health while using the ebooks. So see, I am giving both the reason, like okay, yes, although they are saving the cost, but again they are giving some bad impact on our eyes. So this is how you have to do, discuss both the views and give your opinion. Never feel that if you are saying that they only cut cost and the bad will be, do not do the comparison. Now, in the introduction, how you will going to start? Paraphrase the question as we all do usually, and then write in my opinion with reason 1. The reason 1 will be on the side which you are favoring. Okay, for example, in my opinion, ebooks are very nice, or you can say ebooks actually help to save the cost. However, then you have to use the connector of the contrary. However, it may give some trouble on our eyes. So this is how you have to do. Moving towards the structure, the body paragraph 1, let me write it here. The body paragraph 1 will be the reason which you have written after. However, you have to explain that here again in 5 to 6 lines. Now why I am saying you have to explain in 5 to 6 lines? Because at the end of the day, we all know that they will going to check according to the parameters. And in the parameter, we have a parameter known as coherence and cohesion, in which they actually see the communication, how good you are in communicating this language. So if you are explaining one point in 6 to 7 lines, only then you will be able to fulfill the criteria of coherence and cohesion, and with the help of example. So example is must in our essay writing. And in body paragraph 2, you have to explain the reason of your own opinion. That too again in 5 to 6 lines with example. You can write the example in 2 to 3 lines, and then you have to conclude it. Now conclusion will be our summary. The summary that you have written in the introduction, except the paraphrasing of the question, whatever you have written in the conclusion, just use some other words and write it in the conclusion. I hope now discuss both the views and give your opinion question is clear to you. We will meet in the next class and will discuss the other type of essay. Thank you.